Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of AFI DIYs. My name is Maddie, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create another simple product to add to your line of cleaning products, Quarry Tile Cleaner. This solution is great for cleaning tile flooring just about anywhere, so let's take a look at the recipe. Let's gather our materials, and you will need protective gloves and goggles, a large mixing beaker, whisk or glass stirring rod, funnel or pouring pitcher, and a packaging container to store the product. To make about 16 ounces of product, you will need 84% or 13.44 ounces of deionized water, 4% or 0.64 ounces of BioSoft S101, 3.5% or 0.56 ounces of Macon 10, 3% or 0.48 ounces of hydroxyacetic acid, 70% solution, 1.5% or 0.24 ounces of hydrochloric acid, 37% solution, 4% or 0.64 ounces of fragrance. For today's fragrance, I went to the AFI library and I chose a classic, lemon. This is a perfect scent that will leave your floors smelling clean and fresh. Now keep in mind there are thousands of fragrances to choose from, so be sure to explore your options on our web store. Even though the acids we'll be working with are diluted, it's still important to keep safety in mind at all times. So wear your gloves and your goggles while making this cleaner, and make sure that you're in a ventilated area. Alright, now we're ready to get started. First, combine your deionized water, BioSoft S101, Macon 10, hydroxyacetic acid solution, and hydrochloric acid solution into a beaker. Stir well until homogeneous. Once thoroughly mixed, it's time to add your fragrance. Stir in your fragrance of choice and your cleaning solution is complete. Transfer the solution into a pitcher or use a funnel to easily pour into your packaging of choice. The nozzle on this bottle will allow us to dilute the cleaner if needed or use directly on the quarry tile floors. And we're done, as simple as that. To use this product on heavily stained areas, wet the quarry tile floor followed by the cleaner directly on the stained area and spread with a mop. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and afterwards scrub. Rinse with water and dry with a clean mop. For everyday cleaning, dilute 4 ounces of cleaner into a gallon of water and spread it with a mop across the floor, leaving it to set for about 5 minutes. Scrub, rinse, dry, and it's all done. This product ended up costing us about $2, and you can sell it wholesale for $3 to $4 and retail for $6 to $8. If you like this product, make sure to check out our other videos on multi-purpose cleaners in our DIY playlist. Well, that's all I have for you guys today on our tile cleaning solution, so thanks for watching this AFI DIY. And if you did enjoy this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below, as all of the products and chemicals used in this video will be linked there. I'll see you guys in the next one, and until then, bye!